Affiliate marketing tips that can help you. Affiliate programs make use of the huge online market to create some extra cash, which is always welcome in these hard times. However, if you're just starting a site or your site isn't making much profit, you might not know what to do. This site contains useful tips and tricks to noticeably improve profits. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, utilize time management software to record your different tasks. This will allow you to evaluate the amount of time that you spend on all of the different tasks you do, and eliminate potential bottlenecks. It can be surprising to learn how much time you waste on simple things like checking your email. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Many affiliate marketers do themselves a disservice by straining too hard to turn into super affiliates. They sell too many products in too many industries to be truly effective at what they do. Hitting a limit is non-existent in fitness. You need to take your time and find the best approach for you. When selecting your channels and establishing affiliates, try different types to see which are the most effective. When you compare the results coming from different channels, you will start to see what types of channels bring you the most business, and which ones are just mediocre. You want to retain the ones who are making the most money for you. As was mentioned before in the video, affiliate programs can be a very nice source of income. However, if you're lazy and uninterested in making your site attractive to your audience, your site will surely fail. You need to put in your time and effort if you want to see any rewards. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.